Consider lilac for your landscape, as many gardeners have done for centuries. Its popularity has caused it to be referred to by some as overused, but when you see these large, ultra-fragrant blooms on this common lilac, it's no mystery as to why it's found its way into so many gardens. Now, like with many plants, lilacs do have some negative press about some of their features. After the blooms fall off, it's often criticized for its lack of appeal. And in particularly hot and humid climates where they can experience a lot of stress, sometimes they can start to look dilapidated. Now they're hardy to zones 3 through 7, but they do best in cooler climates where they can be planted in full sun without having the challenge of excessive heat and humidity. They're very hardy to cold winters. In fact, the flower buds rely on chilly temperatures to be at their best. Common lilacs can get pretty tall, about 8 to 12 feet, and they can get pretty leggy. But a simple pruning can actually provide great benefit to a mature lilac. Early summer, after the blooms have fallen, you can prune to remove about a third of the tallest, most mature stems, all the way down to the ground. And not only will this help you to keep its form more compact, but flowers bloom better on younger branches than they do on older ones. Another pruning objective is to create air circulation, and that'll help prevent powdery mildew, which is very common in lilacs. Now, just as with many other popular plants, lilacs have been hybridized prolifically, and there are many, many cultivars that you can choose from. You can find variety in flower color, you can find ones that don't grow so tall, you can even find ones that grow on a single stem in tree form. So whatever your needs are, consider lilac and all of its variety for your landscape.